First, he sticks his face in a bowl of water. Then he flies through the air for 4 minutes straight. And now he's mouth taping. This guy is doing something completely wrong. Sure, he's still getting all the benefits of mouth taping, like a sharper jawline, way better sleep, and just better facial structure. But the mistake he's making is that he didn't pick a brand of mouth tape that's made of silk, so this can really irritate your skin over time. That's why this brand Snore is the best, because the ingredients they use are not going to cause any problems. And plus, it's the only company I've found that come with 30 of these nose strips for completely free. And they're even on sale right now. If you guys want to make this small investment on yourself, I dropped the link below.